Hi guys, welcome to the Minecraft Mode Survival. And you guys can call me newbie. Yeah, he's just like a zombie noob. Today is my first video. In this very first video, I will show you guys what did I do. First, I make my own my own mode. In my own mode, I make everything more than 10 modes. Special modes. All kind of modes. Very many modes. So today we are going to play for a while. And we just record this as our first video. Today what we need to do is go to get some I forgot. Oh yeah, go to get some obsidian back. So actually I want to do here. I don't give anything. Oh yeah, backwards. Great. That's a kind of actually additional ore. Oh, diamonds! Diamonds! Watch this! Oh, 2 diamonds again! Oh, 1, 2, wait! 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, again! Oh, diamonds! Diamonds! I love diamonds so much! Oh, I too love diamonds. Diamonds again. Always diamonds. How's that possible? That everything is possible. Diamonds again. So much diamonds. But now, let's see. Diamonds, 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 and diamonds. Oh, it's diamonds, 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 and diamonds. And diamonds, diamonds, diamonds. Nope. Wait, coals. At least the coals. Ow. Wait, full backpack. I don't care. You know what, guys? If you have start whole survival, must need to dig some coals. Even you have more than 100 coals. Because I discovered something that usually if you have played the Minecraft, usually you can get iron or other kind of ores. Even how poor it is. I get another diamond. Diamonds and diamonds and I got another diamonds and diamonds, another 8 diamonds, and I was so happy. Yay. Nope. Nope. Wait, what is it? Oh yeah, creeper. Ouch. Oh yeah, 1 damage. Nothing happened. Get you now. What do you want to do? What? Oh! 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 Whatever, I don't care. So, more coals. Let's go up first. Actually, I had using a kind of code that is a keep inventory trick. But I don't want to show guys. I usually want to do it as normal as we can and keep on going. That's so slow. So, what is it? That's a kind of code generator. But it's not working now. Did you guys want to know the reason? Because there's no kind of... oh yeah. It's right there. How's that possible? Why you don't doing anything? Click, 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 click. Pew. So, although it's rainy, I hate rainy. Actually, I love tomatoes. Tomatoes, tomatoes, tomatoes. Always tomatoes. Tomatoes, 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 tomatoes. I don't believe that I cannot build a whole tomato farm. But first, we need a land. Where's the forest come from? How's that possible in this small little places? I'm not from that one. Ow. So, yeah, I found the place. And where? In the forest. Where? In there. Oh, yeah, zombies. And just kidding, there's no zombies. Don't afraid of that. Oh. I'm wrong, man. Because there's a lot of zombies. I don't care whether there's a big zombie or little zombie. Actually, I don't want them room for my farm. My farm is a big. No, it's not big at all. No, it is big. No, it's not big at all. Ow. Because it's big. No, it doesn't. Oh yeah, that's big. Oops. My mouse will just get up and down. And I shouldn't move so fast. And boom. And and now let's make the top. I don't care. This music's so good. I hear the Enderman sound. I'm to quickly die. As quick as possible. Because I had opened the mouth inside of the exploded on the top. The only thing that I cared was the mom. farm. Let's get some windows. Đó, cái so yeah, now is maybe the time to end our videos. And if you guys like this video, please get a subscribe and like this video. And if you guys can leave a comment or some things, I don't care of it. Maybe tomorrow, next day, or next day. If I have a time, I just make the video for you guys to do it. But actually, I need to create. Next video, I must need to go to a nether. So if I had go to a nether, I must be getting any videos for you guys. You guys can look at it. And you guys same as you can like it. I have no food left. Only some lemons. So bye guys. If you love this video, same as I will repeat again. If you guys love this video, please get subscribe. Give me for me. And if you guys don't like this video, same as please leave a like as possible. I want to have a like or have a subscribe, whatever it is, just give me it. Any of that. Okay? Please, 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 and bye guys. See you maybe in the next video.